掹緊啦！哇！喂，走啊走啊走啊走啊！哇！喂！
There's a 128 diseases that we discover, including 108 body we removed from the scene, and 4 passed away in hospital, and we have 16 burned body that are still within the building. You talk about compensation, right? So I would like to explain it about our financial assistance to all the victims and their families. I think our government will have different schemes to support the family, and also I understand that a lot of private organizations are organizing it. I think we need time to get all the details. As I said, even some of the diseases we cannot be fully identified yet. So I think at appropriate time when we get hold of all the information, and we are more than happy to release all the information that public is concerned. There's nothing government is unwilling to release.